2 temples, and an ancient trail. We're in Thailand and on top of Chiang Mai.
Good day, welcome back to Juan Phone. This is a new series happening in Thailand, the land of smell. So today I'm in Chiang Mai, right out of it, below the mountain. So I'm with my friend David, who is a kind of local, been here living for many years, knowing the trail very well. He will be my guide, taking me into the mountains through the trail. What are we going to do today, David?
So we're going to do what's known as the Monk's Trail. It's also called the Pilgrim's Trail. So what we're going to do, start from this point, we're going to go about halfway up, we come to a temple called Wat Pralat. And that's a very beautiful temple. It's a serene settings. It's well known for meditation. So we'll obviously stop there and have a look at that. And then we're going to continue up the mountain to the main temple, which is called Doi Satep Temple. That's the main temple of Chiang Mai, and it overlooks the whole city.
Let's go.
Yeah, are you ready?
Thailand is well known among tourists for its pulsating nightlife and pristine beaches. But it also has some hidden gems for those looking to explore the outdoors. In this series, we travel to the land of smells to do just that. From hiking, bamboo rafting, to mountain biking, trail running, to kayaking, and diving. We kick off our journey from Chiang Mai, about 700 kilometers north of Bangkok, looking for, among other things, some elusive eucalyptus tree. Monk's Trail starts about 6 kilometers out of Old Chiang Mai city center, 20 minutes by taxi. The trail is about 5 kilometers long, but you can explore around if you have extra stamina. You don't have to have a guide, but do follow geographic instructions using a GPX file, and, as we have suggested before, better have a buddy for safety. Not long into the trail, David shared an interesting nugget about the forest.
You get these vines in Thailand, and it's a partnership between the trees and the vine. So as you can see, it's attached itself here, and what happens is over the years the tree grows and the vine grows, and it eventually turns out into a vine like this, where you can see it goes up and around. It's up this tree and it goes all the way up that tree there. So it's a partnership.
Little bit into the trail, we came across a little stream. Hey, I think I found some tourists got lost here. 迷路了吗？
不知道怎么走了。
So I just found these two here in the middle of the mountain. I guess they are lost. Maybe I take them with us. Let's go.
跟着你走吧。
The Wat Pala Temple used to be a stop on the way up to the Wat Doi Satep Temple. Now it's mainly the monks' residence and a place for meditation. The architecture and the calm makes you feel like the place is frozen in time. Alright, that was a joke. They didn't get lost, but they just finished a 160k Thailand by UTMB in Southern 6th race. And this is the man champion Jiaju. Hello, buddy. And this is the female champion Fuzhou. So I will put a link below to watch how they won the title through the Thai mountains. The trail is well surrounded with plantations and is a delight for any nature lover.
This part of the Monk's Trail I call the staircase, the tea tree staircase. And we'll just climb up here. It's quite a natural sort of staircase. And we're coming up to a fig tree. And guess who's here?
Hey, this is my shelter, yeah? We then kept going up through the back of Wat Doi Suthep. The temple truly looks stunning. It is believed circling the pagoda 3 times brings you good luck.
How have you enjoyed the hike so far, Jack?
Oh, well, thanks a lot, David, for this small walk so far. Basically, we're going through the jungles, and I can hear the stream all the time. The temple, Wat Pralai, it's so zen, really cleansing my mind. Beautiful. And this one is amazing. It's so splendid. That's the word.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna go for a quick lunch and go a little bit further.
Yeah, we'll just go and have a look and see the painted eucalyptus trees at the National Park campsite.
Let's go.
Okay.
再来一份。
够，差不多就行，不用吃太饱。
他已经吃了2份了，好吃。辣椒拌饭，辣椒拌饭。
How was your lunch, David?
Excellent, and good coffee as well, thanks.
After the quick lunch, we went up even higher to the national park campsite.
Hi Jack, I hope you've enjoyed the trail today. We're now at the top and this is the end. This is where we've come to show you the rainbow eucalyptus tree, which is the only indigenous eucalyptus tree in Asia. All the rest obviously in Australia. How did you find the hike today?
Yeah, well, it was not too hard, except some part of it was a little bit steep. In general, it's short. It was quite nice with a bit of diversity of everything. We just follow the river and all that. Also, that temple. Yeah, really cool. This national park is so quiet. It's very beautiful. You can hear the bird and all that. Amazing trip. Thank you very much,
I'm
David.
glad you enjoyed it.
Thank you. So, guys, if you like and enjoy this episode, please subscribe our channel wherever you watch it. Next week we will go for something different. Bamboo rafting, something nice in Chiang Mai area. For now, I have to say goodbye. I need to run to other location. I'm Jack.
I'm David.
This is Drone on the Phone. Bye bye. Well, it's quite steep.
Yeah, he's still beating the other guys.
So David and I are leading, and Jiaju and Fuzhou and Pim, they're behind here, slowly catching up with us. Yeah, now you know who is the champion, yeah?